Hi everyone. So in this video we have to discuss how to download VS Code on Google Chrome. So first of all we have to search on Google, search download VS Code. You see this first link. So this is the blue logo of VS Code. Now click this link, download Visual Studio Code. So if you have a Mac, you have download for Mac version. So my system is Windows. That's why I am download Windows version. Click this VS Code for Windows. Now see, so our VS Code has downloaded for few minutes. So we have to wait this software to download. We have to discuss a little bit what is a VS Code and how we use a VS Code. So basically, the VS Code are used for coding. We have a write a code in VS Code for C++, and first we have to download extension. For example, we use Python. We have to download a Python extension on VS Code. So our VS Code has downloaded. So see, this is our VS Code. Now click this VS Code. Now click this button. I accept the agreement. So click next. So this is your choice. Create a VS Code on desktop. Now click this next button. Now install. It's take a few minutes. So this is the setup of VS Code and this is the interface. So these all our files are downloaded in our C. Now after that our VS Code has downloaded. Now click this finish button. Thanks for watching.